Hi and welcome to this quick video to show how easy it is to get a fully integrated e-commerce solution set up and running for your ABM accounting software program. This is ABM and we have customers, suppliers, products, etc. We can actually see all of our ABM information here. And I'm just going to log in to our e-commerce solution called SPNet. The goal of this video is to show you how flexible this is, how quick to set up, and really the power of the system. Everything on the web revolves around what we call a category tree. And to show you what I mean, I'm just going to show you one of our existing clients and their setup online. Tilers Online is a Sydney-based wholesaler of tiling equipment. And this is their website. They're an ABM customer and they're using the SPNet e-commerce solution. So we see this category tree. We can see, for example, different types of tools, and then we can drill right down to a specific level. That's what we mean by a category tree. And this design is all part and parcel of the e-commerce solution provided by ABM. You can, of course, view the product details and click to place an order. One of the most powerful things to realize about e-commerce is the website's one thing, but it's getting traffic to the site that's the most important. And inbuilt to the ABM e-commerce solution provided by SPNet is what's called search engine optimization module. So we'll just show you how that works by logging to Google. Today being September 30th is the 50th anniversary of the Flintstones, so Google have got something nice there. But let's just have a look at a generic search term, tiling equipment. And straight away, searching Google, I can see my top result is our client there, Tilers Online. So that's on a generic search term. A targeted search is somebody who's looking for a brand name product. So I've done my research and I know now that I want to buy a Ruby tile cutter kit. And so instead of just typing a generic search term into Google, I'm going to type in a specific brand name because that's what I want to buy. So we showed that we've got the top search results on a generic search. What about on a product specific search? Bang, straight again, except for the sponsored and paid for links. The top result is our Tilers Online. In fact, the top two results are Tilers Online, and it takes us straight to the purchasing page where I can add that straight to my shopping cart from our client. How cool is that? Being able to capture somebody from a search straight in. So we started our conversation with this category tree. Let's see how that sets up in our SPNet system. So we're in a demonstration system here, and I've got categories of household goods, furniture, etc., garden equipment, safety equipment, and car accessories. Let's see how that looks online. So I'll go to our browser and I'll go to shopping and I'll see there household goods, garden equipment, safety equipment, and car accessories. Exactly the same as I've got listed there. Now, as we said, the design, this is just in demonstration mode, but we just saw Tilers Online, so the design and the tree structure can look and feel however you'd like to. But let's just talk about the simplicity here. So we've got these four categories. Let's see how easy it is to add a new one. So we can drill in household goods, we've got furniture, entertainment, within furniture we've got etc, etc. We can drill right down. So I'll go back there and let's see how easy it is to add these categories. We'll go to our SPNet console and I'll simply click on Add. And I'll enter a line description here and I'm going to put in here cabling equipment. And click OK. So I can see that added and I'm just going to quite simply move that down the tree and click on Apply. Go back to our browser and refresh. And I can now see I've got cabling equipment. How easy is that? So now let's have a look. I'll add, as we can see within cabling equipment and household goods, if I drill in, I can actually go into depth. So how do we do that in SPNet? I go to SPNet and I'll quite simply add in another category. It might be HD cables. Now I've got HD cables and I want that to be a subcategory, so I'm going to move that in one. And I'll add another category there, fiber cables. And again, move that in one, so I can now see my tree structure forming and click Apply. Going back to our browser and clicking Refresh. Now let's have a look when I drill into cabling equipment, HD cables, fiber cables, and there we go. So I was very easily able to create that category structure from using our SPNet console. How does that now relate to ABM? Well, let's have a look at ABM. In ABM, we have all of our products, and we have things like groups and categories, and I can also set up what's called custom fields to allow me to display my products online. Let's do something really simple for now. Let's just have a look at all of our hardware products. So I've got these hardware products in my system right now. Maybe what I want to do is have these products show up in my fiber cables area. Easy to do. What I'll do is click on Action and set what's called a filter to say when I click on that, what do I want to show? And I'm going to insert my group called Hardware. I'll test that, and I can see those records, and click on OK. Let's go and have a look at now what result that shows online. So again, I'll click on Refresh. I'll just make sure I've applied those changes, which I haven't. I now have. So I'll go in and I'll refresh that screen. As I drill into cabling equipment, HD cables, fiber cables, and there are the products that I picked up, including the pictures that are on file.